Hello, everybody. Welcome to a new science session. Today, we're going to go on studying the digestive system, but today we're going to see the stages that this system has. Okay, so let me share my screen and start. Here we have the digestive system. We have already studied that, and you already know that digestion starts in the mouth, then it's mixed with saliva, then it's going to get to a bolus. That bolus is going to go into the stomach through the esophagus, then it's going to go to the small intestine, then to the large intestine, and then what is not needed is going to be expelled as poop. But let's see the stages. The first stage is ingestion. Ingestion is the process in which you put food into your mouth. Immediately after you put food into your mouth, your teeth will going to start crushing and smashing this food, and this is the moment where digestion starts. So digestion also starts in the mouth. Now, this food is going to be mixed up with saliva secreted by the salivary glands. And then after that, it's going to go through the esophagus, okay? It's going to go through the esophagus. We're still in digestion, until this bolus is going to reach the stomach. Here, the bolus is going to be mixed up with gastric juices and intestinal enzymes coming from the liver, the gallbladder, and the pancreas. We're still in digestion. Then, all of this food is going to go into the small intestine, okay? To the small intestine. And here digestion stops, you see, and start the third process, which is absorption. What is absorption? Absorption is it's when nutrients get into the blood and are distributed, once they are in the blood, are distributed to the rest of the body cells, okay? Now, we have then that in this absorption, nutrients are being absorbed by the body, but what happens with the rest of the food that wasn't absorbed? That food is going to go through the large intestine, what is I'm showing you here. And all of that food that was not processed and not absorbed is going to go out of the large intestine through the anus. And that process in which food is expelled from the body is called egestion. So, we have seen 4 steps of digestion. The first one is ingestion, when I have my food in the mouth. Then my food starts being processing by the teeth, by the salivary glands. They go through the esophagus, they go into the stomach, and then into the intestine. And then in the intestine, we have absorption, okay? The absorption of the nutrients into the blood. And then once this food has gone into the large intestine, is that we are having the process of egestion, where my body is going to expel that food that was not processed, was not absorbed into the body. I hope that you have understood. Go now to read the handout and do the exercise. See you next class. Bye-bye.